How to make a DIY LED light box. Materials: rectangular pan, LED lights. This is a cheap LED light that comes with a switch and a USB plug. Double-sided foam pads. Diffuser. I used Pellin interlining, but you can also use a thick white cloth. Then, a glass sheet that is slightly larger than the rectangular pan. Step 1. Stick the double-sided foam pads all around the inner surface of the rectangular pan. I stick the pads slightly closer to each other. By the way, the LED light strip also has an adhesive on its back. I'm now sticking the adhesive at the bottom of the pan. Peel off the other side of the foam pads so we can adhere the LED lights. Stick the LED lights on the bottom and the walls of the pan. I'm just zigzagging it at the bottom before going around the walls. After that, clip the diffuser at the edge of the pan so you won't accidentally move it while using. Put the glass on top of the pan. Main lights off, LED lights on. Let's try it on my old sketch of Bulbasaur, if it can see through. I'm currently using 200 GSM paper on a 300 GSM paper. Now I can sketch in a different paper and trace it later on to my watercolor paper. I no longer have to worry about surface tearing while sketching because of erasing too much. Feel free to modify the materials depending on what's available to you. If you find this helpful, don't forget to click subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Till next time.